Hi, I'm Gary Todd, Director of Elders Real Estate in Ararat.
And I'm Mick Fratton, and it's our pleasure to bring you this fantastic lifestyle property at 105 Rifle Butts Road, Landsborough.
Property features a substantial 3-bedroom hardy plank home and has magnificent views out to the Pyrenees.
Other improvements include a 19-acre vineyard planted to Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon, with a contract in place for the 2017 harvest. The vineyard is fully irrigated with a 16 megalitre water licence and a fully automated pump station situated in the highly regarded Pyrenees wine region. Well, thanks for joining us on today's tour.
If you'd like to arrange an inspection to look at this wonderful property, please feel free to contact Mick, myself or any of the award-winning team at my office in Elders Ararat.